Okay, today we're going to shed some light on a couple of things that I just got off of Amazon. First of all, it's a box of these LED lanterns, and they're by Mallow Me, and it comes in a 4-pack, and it also comes with 3 batteries per lantern. That's 12 batteries, and 12 batteries runs you about $10. So 4 lanterns, total price was $23 for 4 lanterns. So that's about $3 per lantern. And here's one of the lanterns, and they're real easy to activate. It's got a handle. All you do is pull it up. These things are really bright with COB LED strips. There's 3 of them. And then turn it off, you just push it down. I don't know the battery life, but with LEDs it should be quite a while. It's 350 lumens each for the whole lamp, so that's quite a good deal. And my next item is a new Zippo, and this is, let's see what the box says. First of all, it comes in a paper sleeve or a cardboard sleeve, and it says Alligator Green. I like the sleeves are given with these boxes. Yeah, it's the same old black Zippo box, and it also says Alligator Green on it. It's kind of a neon yellow, and this Zippo is of course made in the USA. Nothing really special about the box, and the whole thing is in that neon yellow. Let's see if we can find out what date is on here. It looks like Eye of 16, which is, I think that's September of 16. So it's a fairly new design. At least it's a fairly new lighter. And you can see the Zippo, really nice crisp stamping on the bottom. Eye of 16, Bradford, PA, made in USA. Really good sound. Lights up really nice. Let's do a drop test on this Zippo. We're going to do a lit drop test from about 2 feet. So there you go. Successful drop test on a lit Zippo. And that is the Alligator Eye. Actually, they just call it, what do they call it? Alligator Green. That's an Alligator Eye. It's a good one. And this thing, made in the USA, definitely deserves some cowbell. Knuckle bump.